Video na to.
Rob. What's the one Shy Shy?
Visitation.
Look.
Wala ka sir! Wala ka sir! Feeling clay daw.
So let's just assume that, you know, you positively identify the patient already and then it's ready for the microcapillary puncture procedure.
Di ba karong head ni sir? Bala na na. Padul. Dul dito. What's up, man?
For example, the fingers of Sir Daryl or of your patient is cold, so you need to warm the area or the finger. So there, and then you apply first, of course, your antiseptic. So there. So you prepare the equipment used for puncture.
Sir, agay lang.
Itusulot sa nila sa side.
So, the proper side, diba, the recommended side is the middle or the ring, the middle finger. So, and then it should be here. It should not be here because there are bones or you might puncture the bones of this finger. So here. But not sa side ha, kay thin ka. So, it should be perpendicular to the whorls. So it should not be parallel so that you can have a well-rounded drop. So there. Wipe away the masak mas and then
Don't forget to wipe ha after puncturing.
so the proper way of getting, so you will allow it to flow via capillary action.
Di sakit, sir.
And then you will apply or you will get blood 3/4 full for this microhematocrit tube.
Wala na lagi sir.
Cold siya.
Puncture na sa balik.
So if no blood is flowing, just massage the finger, okay?
Then
Massage lang.
kayo lang milking. Milking.
Kasakit sa daanan.
So let's assume that it's already 3/4 full. Now then the proper sealing so that the anticoagulant should have a contact. So it will, for example, if this is 3/4 full, it will run down and then you will place it in the sealant.
Ay, no, di pa sumut na. Ano ko itukod.
Wala gini-run down.
And then it's ready for example, hematocrit determination.
So it must be 3/4 ha, 3/4 full.
Lock.
So that's